Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. BTS840S2 high side switch. This IC is used in automotive applications, in engine control units, fuel control units and different other circuits. Let's see how to check this IC in circuit. It receives 12 volt at this tab, positive battery voltage, and when it will receive signal here at this point, it will turn on its internal circuit and it will switch these positive voltage at this line. When it will receive signal at this pin, it will turn on its second section. That 12 volt will be switched here. Battery voltage are here, but when it will receive signal from microcontroller from these pins, it will provide outputs. We can say it is working as a 12 volt relay, positive 12 volt from here and then to this channel or this channel, maybe both at the same time. In some models both channels are connected together, that time its current is increased. I will use this motor as a load. I will connect positive 12 volt here, ground at this point. Chip ground for this control section is provided from this 150 ohm resistors. It is for reverse polarity protection. This is main ground. Primary ground is provided at this end, and then after two resistors for each section, this 150 ohm resistor. So it is to protect this IC from reverse voltage polarity. We can connect ground here for chip ground. I connected here. Load ground here. We need to inject signal, test signal. In some ICs like here, the signal is injected through 10k resistor. But in this IC, the signal is connected directly from the microcontroller, this signal, and second stage from here. Because it is connected directly to microcontroller, good. Now I disconnected signal line from the microcontroller from here and here. It is disconnected now and it is disconnected. I am connecting this motor here and its ground is connected to battery ground, and this load second end will be connected at this channel or this channel, any one channel. Ground, positive battery voltage. Let's see its data sheet. BTS840 2 channel 30 milliohm smart high side power switch with current sense. IBS on for single channel 30 milliohm and 30 milliohm. If both channels are connected together to operate at the same time, that time 15 milliohm resistance, 12 ampere from this channel, 12 ampere from this channel. If it is used in parallel connection, that time 24 ampere. Positive voltage are connected to this MOSFET for first channel and its control circuit is here. Again battery voltage are connected to this MOSFET and its control circuit is here. Input signal is provided from microcontroller. When it will power on or it is power off, it is over temperature, over current, open circuit, it will give status signal to the microcontroller, and how much current is flowing in this circuit, a proportional signal to the output current will be transferred to microcontroller. Here is its internal circuit, overvoltage protection, internal supply, logic circuit, gate control, temperature sensor, overload detection circuit, current sense circuit. Everything is here, and here is final MOS switch. Here is pin out and pin definition. Pin 1, 10, 20, 11 and heatsink, positive battery voltage. Pin 2 and pin 6 are ground signals for chip ground for both channels. This is input signal for chip number 1 and this is input signal for chip number 2. Status signal for first section, status signal for second section, current sense for second section, and this is current sense for first channel. Let's test it now. I will connect 3.7 volt battery. Negative terminal will be connected to this power ground, and we will also connect multimeter common wire to the power ground. 3.7 volt battery, positive terminal. I connected 330 ohm resistors, and this is now our test signal. We are testing this channel. Pin number 4, 0 volt. I will connect signal to pin number 3. The motor is spinning and the multimeter is showing status signal that the channel is working good. When there is no input signal, the status signal is low. If we check current sense signal, it is low. When I will connect signal, load will draw current. Proportional voltage value will be transferred to microcontroller. Now we will check second section. Status signal low, current sense low. Now current sense signal. So this is good indication of this IC. This IC is good. In this way we can verify the function of this IC. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it is good, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.